Sometimes people say, do I have to be a lawyer to be a diplomat? To which the answer is, it depends very much where you come from. There are countries where international law of one kind or another will be an essential part of the curriculum. You'll probably have an exam on it before you can become a diplomat. If you work in the European Union, there's a lot of legal education that's quite necessary, and there are ways of achieving that in order to join the European institutions, for example. The UN has certain expectations in that area. Other countries, Britain is one of them, doesn't require that particular kind of training. Do I think it matters? Well, I've got a prejudice. I don't think it does. But you obviously need the qualifications of the country or the organization that you're going to work for. You certainly need, and I know I'm jumping ahead a bit here, but you certainly need to be interested in precision in language. Just as if you're working for a company, you're trying to sell something, it's very important to think about the price and the cost of what you're making, and the price that you can sell it at, and the price that your customer will want to pay for it. You can't say that's a trivial matter that you'll forget about. Similarly, in diplomacy of any kind, essentially you're trying to persuade people to do things, or you're trying to reach an agreement on something so that everybody does something, and you need to be precise about that, which means you need to care about how precisely you're defining something in language. You don't have to be a lawyer for that. You can, on any negotiating team, you may well have a lawyer, or you'll have recourse to lawyers you can go and talk to, get advice. Not everything is a legal matter, but an awful lot of things in diplomacy are a matter of precision in language, and you have to be interested in that. And I absolutely acknowledge that if the negotiation is going on in a language which isn't yours, that's an extra challenge, and that's why British people and American people have an advantage sometimes, because of the fact that so many negotiations are done in English.